Hello and welcome to Collins Country. My name is Courtney and today we are going to be talking about this. It's a seed starter kit and set from PatioGem. It's really nice. It's got a lot of neat stuff in here. So I'll take everything out and show you guys everything that's in it first and kind of go over the product, and then I'll actually put it to use and show you guys how to use it. It's really nice. So let's get to it. Okay, so inside, we've got some one-size-fits-all gardening gloves. They do have the grippies on one side, which is nice. Electronics. These are the vents. Those will make sense once you see me put it together. Little tags to label everything, and these are like a plastic, so you can write on them with Sharpie. This is my favorite part of the kit. I think these are adorable. They're just little tiny tools. So I'm obviously gonna use these for the kit, but I know my kids are gonna love using these too when I have them help me. And then we actually have the little seedlings. Then we have the trays that they set in, and then the domes that go on top. So it'll go like this. And then these are your vents that are gonna pop in and go on top. And what's fascinating about this kit, and I haven't seen this before, so I'm really excited to try it out and see how effective it is that you can actually plug all of these in to the wall, and it provides light with the 4 LED lights on this to your plants. So theoretically, if this would work, you can grow plants in the dark without any light, for those of you that don't have access to a lot of windows. So I'm excited to see how that works. So let's start putting everything together. I've got it all set out here. I'm gonna start by actually putting some water into the green trays, and then I will fill the seedling starters with soil and put that into the green tray with the water in it. Now, we only do organic gardening on our farm, and organic pot soil can be pretty expensive to buy, so I actually make our own just with soil and other amenities from our farm. So if you notice dirt clods or kind of funny looking soil in this bucket, that is why. But it does work really well. Okay, here they are. I got them filled. I'm genuinely impressed with the product. Super easy to do. I love how it is set up. I feel like it does look really cute. Not that that really matters when you garden, but it looks nice. It looks organized. I love the little tags. They're very easy to write on. I just used a off-brand Sharpie marker. And these vent caps, you can see here where they twist to either not let it vent or let it vent based on the holes that are in your dome. And this very easily lifts up. And I will say that this part was very easy just to snap right into the dome top. You can see here kind of where that piece of plastic snaps it in. Really easy. So let's hook these up to some electric and let's see how it works. Okay, we've got it set up here in the kitchen over next to an outlet. Here are your cords. All 5 are connected to one so that you can provide light to all 5 of your starter kits at the same time. I will mention that it did not come with the actual part that plugs into the outlet, but fortunately I think most of us have these sitting around our house. So we'll plug it in and we'll give it a try. It works! How creative is this? I absolutely love it. You can see where each one is lit up. It's very easy. I feel like I'm growing aliens or something in my kitchen, but I love this idea. I am going to close all of the vents because they won't need any air circulation until the plants actually sprout. So I'll do that on all of them here once we're finished, but I really like this. I will say that in this one here, I made it all one plant. This whole thing is my straight 8 cucumbers, but over here, I wanted to have 6 of 2 different types of tomatoes. So I've got 6 of this type of tomato and 6 of this type of tomato. Because of where that label is, I think it might be blocking the light. So what I'm gonna do is just pop this off, move that to the back. That way I know these 6 are the celebrity tomatoes and this 6 are the early sweets. And just pop it back on. Then I feel like the light is much better distributed. So just a tip I noticed when I was doing it, but I really like it. So I'll show you what it's like when you unplug it. There we go, and plug it back in. Really easy to do with one hand. And this is what the underneath of the LED looks like. You can see it there, how it has the 4 lights. So initial reaction, I love the product. I feel like the plastic is sturdy. It'll last for years to come. I love the LED idea. I love that it has the vents. I love that it goes together very easily. I also love that to put it back into the box for storage until the next season, it packs very small. This is not going to take up virtually any space in our house, which I love and I know my husband will love. So I'm going to do a little experiment with it to see how well these lights actually work. I'm going to use 3 with the LED lights in an area where they get no light, and then I'm going to use 2 in a well-lit window like I would normally do with my seed starters. So we'll see if one outperforms the other. Now I know obviously these are different plants, so yes, that can vary, but we're just going to look for general performance to see if one does better than the other with or without the light. So I will of course put all of the information and links for the products in the description. If you want to check any of them out, I highly recommend this product. I love it. I know I'm going to be using it, and I'm actually going to get a couple more so that I can start even more seeds inside, just because I really like this setup. So anyway, thanks for watching, and my husband's throwing things at me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a really good gardening season. Bye guys.